Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Easy English Bridge. వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఉంటే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if they had been here. నిన్ను ముందే కలిసుంటే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if I had met you earlier. నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చి ఉంటే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if I had known English well. మాకు సెలవుంటే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if we had a holiday. అమ్మ వస్తే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if mom had come. వర్షం పడకపోతే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if it hadn't rained. గొడవ అవ్వకపోతే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if the fight hadn't happened. ఆఫీస్ లేకపోతే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if there were no office. టీచర్ రాకపోతే బాగుండేది. It would have been better if the teacher didn't come. ట్రాఫిక్ లేకపోతే బాగుండేది. It would have been nice if there were no traffic. And follow us for more such content. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.